Colorado weather can quickly turn hazardous. From lightning strikes to dangerous windstorms, your home can lose power to critical home services. Sometimes the disruption is accidental, other times from planned utility outages. When the power does go down, you can be ready with a flashlight and matches. Or you can invest in your comfort with a standby generator. With a backup generator and an automatic transfer switch, instead of lighting a candle and hoping for the best, you can be back to normal in under 60 seconds. Call Bell today to learn more.
Bell Plumbing and Heating.